Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are here, 8 nights, Southern Caribbean cruise, Carnival Vista. It was a very rushed morning. It's about, let me see what time it is. 11:40 now. We've already checked in, went through security, got to our room, dropped off our luggage, headed upstairs, went to the bar over here at the, where are we? RedFrog Pub, got lunch, sat down, hung out, and now we're outside starting off this vacation, which we already started a few minutes ago, but we're enjoying ourselves. Check-in process, super rushed. And people are already on, I think, by 10:30-ish, 10:15 maybe, if not earlier, so heads up there. All right, so looking outside, we have the brand new Disney Treasure, brand new Norwegian Aqua, which you may have seen on our Beyond videos. And then, just coming in this morning, the brand new, it's hard to see with the glass, but the brand new Star of the Seas. There she is. And we are the smallest ship at port and the oldest, considering these all have just come out. Star literally hasn't even had her first sailing yet. Aqua had her, I think the first few sailings were when we were on Beyond a few months ago, and Treasure had just come out, thought a couple years ago maybe? I don't know, but all three ships we will maybe be on at some point. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. But for now, we're on Carnival Vista for 10 glorious nights, or 9 nights. 9 or 10? I don't know. We're going to Curacao, we're going to Aruba, and we're going to the brand new Celebration Key. So stay tuned, we have a lot coming to you guys. So a bit of a tip, grab barbecue right out here at Guy's Pick and Anchor, and either sit outside or hang out here and have some beers at the pub, which is what we did. It's great. Alright, so we are in room 11207, a spa interior cabin, which means we do have access to the spa when it is open. So we're going to start off our interior room tour. Let's go in the bathroom first. So they do give you the upgraded Elemis conditioning shampoo and shower gel. And they do have the fabric shower curtain, which I know a lot of people are not fans of. Honestly, don't care. Got your towels, some space for putting your things, toothbrush, toothpaste, shower gel, or regular gel, whatever you need. Up here is a charger. Not sure which one, so you guys can look at it and see if you need it or need an adapter. We do have the upgraded soaps, which who knows how upgraded it is compared to the regular. Some towels, toilet tissue. So we're going to come out. Oops. Watch your step down there. Trying to find the lights. That is not the light. There it is. Okay, so your closet. Oh, we do get robes and slippers, which are down there. They gave us, may need some more hangers, but got some hangers. We're here for 8 nights. And some more shelves, a safe. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold more than an iPad, or maybe a small laptop. Down here we have some drawers, and you can do the laundry service as well if you want. Moving on to the bedroom area. Nice full length or half mirror, whatever you want to call it. Little desk, drawer with a hair dryer. Little notepad, a pencil. They do give you some fun times, some more information Their new rules that they just started moving forward with. QR directory. And their room service menu, which I'll have a whole food video coming out along with a tour. Oh, I'm sorry, and a blog. So this is the Cloud 9 room that we booked, and these are all our perks. And this is our first time doing a Cloud 9 spa room. And this is actually our 45th cruise. Nice little TV. We did order water. We already stuck one in the refrigerator here, along with a bottle of wine. So it does fit a bottle of wine in here. But you're allowed one per person. We got some drawers. I'm sorry, some shelving here. We do have water for purchase, $4.75 each. Some glasses. Our room steward, just met him. Really nice guy. It's his last cruise, and then he's going home for 2 months and on the Magic. I almost said Disney Magic. No, Carnival Magic. Dream? Yeah. He's going on a Dream. Not the Disney Dream. The Carnival Dream out of Galveston. Have some towels for the Serenity deck. And this is our room for the next 8 nights. Ooh, you may be coming home with me. Wait, hold on. It's supposed to say snoozing and cruising. Thermostat. It is, I wouldn't say it's ice cold in here, but it is a comfortable temperature. So we'll see once we start sailing if it gets any colder, hotter, what it does. But this is the interior stateroom. Not our first interior. We've had an interior several times. We've had balconies and suites. cashew. No, these are cashews. Blueberries and some type of chocolate covered coffee.